Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we will learn to draw landscape of day and night scene. Starting with landscape 1, night scene. Draw circle, and using circles we will draw some stones. Look and try. Now use eraser to remove the unwanted part of the circle so that it looks like connected stones. Now do the coloring in the stones. I am using grey color. You can also use brown. Use brush tool to show the effect of the stones. Now select all the stones and copy them and paste it at the another places where you want. Now we are making river water coming throughout the stones. See, I am drawing. Use brush tool to show the effect of flowing water. Now we are showing night by using black color at the background. Now we are drawing moon. How beautiful and different it is looking. In this second part we are drawing landscape day scene. Draw a circle to show the sun and below that blue to show the water. This is to show the shadow of the sun in the water. Draw some birds. Now draw the mountains using pencil tool, or you can also draw the mountains using brush or triangle as you wish. Use airbrush tool to show the effect of the sand on the mountains. In the water we can show some flowing water by using pencil tool of the dark color than the water. This is a stone in between the water. You can also draw fish, turtle, or any other elements in the water. See how beautiful and different it is looking.